All right, y'all. One of the first things I wanted to talk about for AVID this week was this AVID choice board, this AVID Wicor Bingo. Essentially, this is a bingo card, AVID Wicor Bingo, using writing, inquiry, collaboration, organization, and reading. And this is all things you'll need to do by the end of the semester. You'll have to complete a blackout. Obviously, it's not due till the end of the semester, but I will have you guys check in each week with your progress to make sure that you're staying on track. You're not leaving all 20 to the end of the semester. If you do 3 per week right now, that'll get you almost all the way to 20. So get that get that in here. They're just things that we've done for the most part. They're kind of some fun things. Cook something with another person or collaborate to create a work of art. Maintain social distance. Always maintain social distance with all the stuff. Anything you're assigned. Remember, social distance is 6 feet apart at all times. Try to limit your interactions with anybody outside of your immediate family as much as possible. So anything in here, you'll need to limit your interactions with them, maintain that social distancing, but do the best you can.